So, hi Sir Ernie.
Hi.
Yes, of course, we're here at the last day ng wake ni Miss Gloria Romero. What can you remember na fondest memory nyo sa kanya?
Well, I've worked with her several pictures on TV. Kasama rin kami. All I can say is that she's very regal. One of the nicest persons that I met. Parang hindi, she can never commit a sin. She's the type of person na napakalinis. Yan. Hindi pwedeng magkaroon ng kaaway. That's and even her image, as you can see, up to this point, up to the last breath, ganda pa rin yung image sa kanya. Mahal siya. That's Gloria.
When was the last time na nakausap niyo siya?
One time we bumped into each other somewhere in the television network. Yun lang. Kaya, I think that's challenging.
So, if you're gonna think of a word or adjective yung unang pumapasok sa isip nyo when you hear the name Gloria Romero, ano po yun?
Regal.
Oh, you're the second person to say that. I forgot who's the first. Wait, dami ko sa na-injury. But yeah, you're the second.
I'm the second one. For me, the best. The best. As a person, as an actress, well loved by everybody.
So sir, what keeps you busy these days? Ano yung upcoming projects nyo or current?
I do sing on special occasions.
Yes, I heard you're a balladeer.
No, not really.
Not ballad? It's a different genre.
Of beat and ballad. I don't really sing ballad ako.
Yeah, I see.
Mix it up with something bouncy.
Okay.
How do you call it?
Flexible.
Flexible.
Yeah, versatile, yes.
And then I'm a visual artist.
What medium? Paintings?
Yeah. Oil and acrylic. And I'm also adventurous when it comes to painting. I do paint on fiberglass and on tiles.
Wow.
You know, I can experiment.
Do you do exhibits like with di ba sila Chris Villanueva, sila Jao Mapa, nag-exhibit sila?
Yes, what was that?
Art exhibits, do you do?
Oh yes, I have already 6 major exhibits.
Wow, where? Do you have? Are you connected to any particular gallery?
No, I'm not. I just rent the gallery.
Yeah, I see. Yeah. So Sir Ernie, of course, matatanong talaga to. Trending ngayon yung movie ni Daryl Yap.
Oh, yeah.
So what can you say? I read your interview sa Pepe about, of course, Pepsi, di ba? Nakasama niyo siya sa movie. So what can you say about yun nga, Pepsi Paloma and this whole movie?
You know, I really can't say anything about that. I cannot comment anything. I wasn't there. And I don't want to look like I'm nakikisaw-saw, you know.
Yes.
And I want to respect my co-actor, which is Pepsi Paloma. And she's with me when we did Virgin People. She was only 13.
Yes.
Napakabata. Whatever happened there, right after, hindi ko rin sasakit siya. Kasi wala tayo ron. But I still have great respect for her.
Yeah.
Even if she was my partner, one of my partners, I respect her. It's like a younger sister.
But are you neutral when it comes to the fact that a movie is being produced? Na inuungkat yung nangyari.
I think they're going to allow it to be shown, right?
Yes. Just the trailer, yun lang i-teaser yung iti-take down, but walang problema yung movie.
I saw it last night on TV. It's going to be shown. Well, it's all up to everybody to think which is is true or not.
Mhm.
I guess it depends on how they execute them, how it will be executed. I don't want to comment on anything.
Yes.
It's sad that it happened, and it's sadder that they're reviving it for somebody who's dead already.
So,
Kasi may sikat tuloy ako dahil sa Virgin People.
yes. Ano, diba? Naka-upload pa naman yung full movie. Papanoorin.
Once in a while, nagpapadala sa akin ng Facebook.
Oo.
Yung
Yung mga clips.
hindi na, pati yung movie.
Screenshot. Oh.
I have this already. So
Oo.
not only from friends,
Yeah.
but also who knows very much.
Yeah.
Mga Facebook friends.
Last question, of course, like you and Miss Gloria Romero, what is your advice to artists or whoever wants to enter the industry to last, para mag-last ng mga dekada katulad nyo?
Well, Miss Gloria Romero is somebody who they should emulate because she's the type of person you will think will commit mistake in everything that she does, that she did. Kumbaga, for me, she's perfect. As a human being, I couldn't see any fault in her. Hindi naman, I don't advise everybody naman na follow her.
Yes. Kasi iba-iba naman tayong personality.
Iba-ibang ating.
Yes.
Yeah, not only personality, how we were brought up.
Yes, that's true. It's a big factor. Yes.
There's only one Gloria Romero.
Thank you.